when you felt the lines.
Alright, so I just got this 2019 Trane XR air conditioner starting up. This is my redemption. I just did a redemption startup. I missed the startup before. I was setting it up for a while, and then I took the camera away, and then it started up shortly after. So I decided to wait again, and I got it this time. So yeah, here it is. This thing is overgrown. Trane logo's in there. Doesn't let it scroll. This thing's pretty shaky, and it's also very quiet. It's a tech fan motor. It's from 2019, and it's a 2.5 ton. It's getting very cold, and it's very sweaty. It's a straight cool unit. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching, and over and out.